home sweet home. Yes, in the home what all sections we have, what all parts we have. Yes, we have dining room, we have kitchen room, we have bedrooms, we have toilet rooms, we have bathrooms. Yes, we have everything in our house. Yes, only the sizes differ. Okay, some have a small houses, some have a big houses, some have a apartments we have. Yes, we have a different types of houses, but that all houses will be the house itself. We not call it as a other name. We don't have a other name for that all things. The all buildings where the people live, where the family live, that is called as a home only. Okay, we not give it as a another name. Everything will be with a one name only, that is a home. Okay, where the family lives. Okay, we studied about everything. What all things are there in our chapter? Yes. And taking care of our house also we studied. How to take care of our house. How to take care of our house we studied. Yes. And the next one we move on to the types of houses. Types of houses. Okay, we have a different types of houses. Yes. Different types of houses. We have a single house. We have a apartments. We have. Apartments means one the whole building ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅಲ್ಲೇನ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ with a floors so many floors, so many houses will be there together in one building. We have so many houses, that is called as an apartment. Okay, the next one is taking care of our house. How to take care of our house? We should keep our house home neat and clean. We should keep all the things at the proper place. One proper place ಒಳಗೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಸಾಮಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The taps should be closed when we are brushing our teeth. ನಾವು ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರೂ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ. We should switch off lights and fans when not needed. Okay, we studied these all things in the previous class also. We'll move on to the now exercise part. The revisation section. The revising the chapter in the way of exercise, solving the exercise. First question, underline the correct word. They given a statement there they given an option, like two words they given. Which word fit in that statement, we have to write that. Okay, a place where a family lives is called home or a nest. Home or a nest. They given a bar section series. They given a bar. Home or a nest. ಮನಿ ಅನ್ನಕ ಅಂದ್ರೇನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಾರೆ ನಾವು, ನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೇವೋ ಅಥವಾ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಂತೇವೋ. Home, we call it as a home. The next one, a house makes us feel safe or afraid. Safe or afraid. House ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ? It makes us to feel safe. It makes us to feel safe. Third question, we bath in the kitchen or bathroom. We bath in the kitchen or a bathroom. We bath in the kitchen or bathroom. Where we bath, children? We bath in the bathroom. We bath in the We cook our food in the living room. Where we cook our food? We cook our food in the living room or a kitchen? We cook our food in the kitchen. We cook our food in the kitchen section. We cook our food in the kitchen section. Okay, B part. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. So given a questions there, we have to answer it. Second me, answer the following question. Which is your favorite room in your house? Which is your favorite room in your house? Which is the most favorite room in your house, children? Yes, all have a different rooms. Yes, all have a different rooms. I have my favorite place is bedroom or a TV hall. Okay, TV room. That is the living room. Living room. My favorite place is a living room. Your favorite place? It depends on your thoughts. Okay, your thoughts. First question answer. I'm writing only answer. Okay, which is your favorite room in your house? My favorite room is living room. Living room. My favorite room is living room. Second one answer. What is the second question? What do we do in the living room? What do we do in the living room? We meet guests. We watch TV. We relax ourselves in the TV living room. We meet guests. We relax or watch TV in the living room. Next question. What type of a house is a good house? What type of a house is good house? The house which is neat and clean, that will be the good house. We have to maintain our house. We have to keep neat, keep clean, and ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೌಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಲೈಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಏರ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಏರ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಸೊ a good house is neat and clean. It has windows to let in the sunlight and fresh air. Okay, we want the good house will be always what, neat and clean, and the sunlight to be get inside. Okay, the fourth answer. What is the question? What type of a house do you live in? What type of a house do you live in? Which type of a house? You live in a apartment, or you live in a where small houses? Where you live? It depends on you. Okay, which type of a house you are living in? Write that one. Okay, because I have a different thoughts, you have a different thoughts. Okay, I live in where? Small house. Where you live then? If you may be living in the apartment, or you may be living in the small house or a big house. Yes, you may be living in that. So your thoughts, your way of writing. Okay, which way you are living, write it. We'll move on to the next one, that is life skill. Next one is life skill. Write your address and telephone number in the box. They given a box there. Write the address of yours. Okay, your address you have to write in that box, and telephone number of your father or a mother. Okay, write the telephone number and the address. That is the life skill. The next one, turn the page number. Value for life. Value for life. Tick correct the true statement. True statement again ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, tick correct. I keep my shoes in the place. In place. I keep my shoes in place. So correct. That is correct. You have to keep your shoes in the place. I write on the walls. No, you don't have to write on the walls. Wrong. If you write on the walls will be dirty. Next one, I play with the things in the kitchen. No, never we have to play in the kitchen, because it will, what it will do, it will harm us. It will harm us. So we never have to play in the kitchen room. I put away my shoes neatly in the shoe racks. Yes, I put away my shoes neatly in the shoe racks. Exactly, we have to, after using we have to put it in the shoe racks. I help my family keep the house clean. Yes, we have to help our family members to keep our house clean. Yeah, ನಾವೇ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. We have to, how much possible for you, please help them, help your mother or a father to keep a house clean. To keep a house clean. Okay? So, true. Okay? Understood? Understood value for life, children? Okay. We'll move on to the next one, that is horse. We'll move on to the next one, that is HOTS children. Okay. The first one, match the following things with the rooms where they live, where they are found. Okay. They given a bedroom scene. Okay. The match the following things which the rooms where are found. Bedroom picture is there. First one is a bedroom picture. In this side they given a pillow and furniture, towel, tea. Where which one is related to the bedroom? Bedroom is related to pillow. Okay, mark it there. Pillow. Next one, living room. In the living room, what we do? We eat or we drink tea. So tea. Mark it to tea. Kitchen room. In the kitchen room, what we see? Sorry. In the living room, we related to the what? Sofa. That is sofa furniture. That will be related. Okay. In the kitchen room, the teapot, the tea nedro kuditevalla adanna ನಾವು kitchen ಒಳಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೇವೆ. Next one. The next is bathing. The boy is bathing. So which he want? He want towel. Okay. He want towel. Okay. Mark it to towel. The match the correct way. The match it to mark it to the correct way. Okay. The next one, activity. The next one is activity. Here is the puzzle. Write the first letter of the names of these animals. You will be get the names of places. What horse is they given? Owl they given. Monkey they given. Elephant they given. Okay. What are these? Where they live? What they given? Here is the puzzle. Write the first letter of the name of these animals. You will get the name of the places. Okay. Do that activity. First one you have to do by yourself. Make a poster. See, make the poster. Take a chart paper. Draw a picture of your house on it. Color it nicely and hang in your living room for all to see. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಮನಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಚಂದಗ ನೀಟ್ಲಿ ಕಲರ್ ಇಟ್. After coloring, what you have to do? Hang it in your living room. Hang it in your living room. The last one, C part. Fill in the boxes and complete the story. They given a story there. Okay, my house is near a pond. Near a what? Pond. Near a what? Pond. P-O-N-D. 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 The next one. One day I saw a, what is that? Frog hopping out the water. Frog. Next one is frog. Next one. It enters the bathroom and jumped into the bathroom. The next one is bathroom. Here. I entered the bathroom and jumped into the tub. Next one. The next question. That is, dash the frog followed me. So I ran to the, where it is, which place it is? Bedroom. Bedroom. Okay. B-E-D-R-O-O-M. Okay. Bedroom. I will write the spelling here. Bathroom. Bathroom. After that, after bathroom, bathtub. Bathtub. Okay. The next one is bedroom. The next one is bed. Bedroom. Okay. The next one is dash and hid there. The frog could not find me there, so it went here and there and then jumped out the. Which room it is? Study. The next one is see this space, how much space given na? According to that we have to write, okay? According to the places we have to write. The last one, dash window, kitchen window. It again go out to the kitchen window. CITCHEN. Okay? Last one, the kitchen window. The first one is pond, second one is frog, third one is bathroom, fourth one is bathtub, bedroom, study, and the last one is kitchen. Okay? They given a space now. In that which room fit? Think that related to this story, you have to fit that letter and complete that story. After you writing all the spellings, you get the one story there. You get one story there. Okay, children, what you have to do today? You have to complete these all things. What all we did today now? Complete it. If you not understand the question and answers, if you not easily spellings and all, if you not understand, please don't write. Just remaining things complete it. Okay? Okay. We'll see you in the next class and revise it one more time in the next class.